Introducing the set of 3 round glass jars with bamboo lids, the perfect combination of style and functionality for all your storage needs. These 29-ounce glass food storage containers are not only aesthetically pleasing but also offer a secure solution for storing your dry foods and goods. The unique curved bamboo lids with airtight silicone seals provide both style and practicality. They keep out air and moisture, ensuring that your coffee, tea, spices, candy, and other stored goods stay fresh for longer. No more worrying about stale or spoiled food. We understand the importance of durability, which is why these kitchen canisters are made from high-end borosilicate glass. This type of glass is known for its strength and hardness, ensuring that your containers will go the distance. The bamboo lids are also stronger and sturdier compared to other materials like wood, metal, and plastic. Not only are these glass containers functional, but they also make for a perfect gift. Whether you're looking for a thoughtful present for a loved one or simply spoiling yourself, these containers with bamboo lids are a wonderful way to get organized with style and sophistication. They come presented in elegant gift-ready packaging, making them suitable for any occasion. We care not only about your satisfaction but also about protecting the environment. That's why we offer these glass bamboo food storage containers crafted from high-quality materials that benefit both you and future generations. By choosing our products, you're making a conscious effort to enhance your life while also preserving the Earth's natural resources. Please note that these glass jars are designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. We recommend checking compatibility before making a purchase. If you're ready to level up your storage game in the kitchen, don't miss out on these sleek and functional round glass jars with bamboo lids. Get organized with style and sophistication, while also making a positive impact on the environment. Order yours today.